Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to create a PDF from Excel and also how to import data from a PDF file into Excel. Let's start by exporting Excel data to a PDF. Saving your worksheet as a PDF is very simple. Go to the File tab, click Save As, then click Browse to choose a location. In the Save as Type dropdown, select PDF. Enter a name for your file and click Save. That's it. Your worksheet is now saved as a PDF file and will automatically open in your default PDF viewer, such as a web browser. One important thing to note: Excel saves only the active worksheet as a PDF by default. If your workbook contains multiple sheets and you want to save all of them, select all the sheets first by holding the Shift key and clicking each sheet, then go to Save As and choose PDF. This way, all selected sheets will be included in a single PDF file. Now, let's see how to convert a PDF into Excel. Go to the Data tab, click on Get Data, then choose from File and click from PDF. Select your PDF file and click Open. The Navigator dialog box will appear, showing all tables and pages detected in the PDF. Select the table you want to import and click Load. Excel will load the data into a new worksheet, and it will also create a Power Query, which you can see in the Queries and Connections pane on the right side. Now let's import a PDF that contains multiple pages and tables. Again, go to the Data tab, choose from PDF, and open your file. In the Navigator window, you'll see multiple tables and pages listed. To import more than one, enable Select Multiple Items, then choose the tables or pages you want and click Load. Sometimes, when you select multiple items, clicking Load doesn't directly insert data into worksheets. Instead, Excel creates queries for each selected table, which appear in the Queries and Connections pane. To load the data, right-click on any query and choose Load To. In the Import Data dialog box, select how you want to load the data, for example, as a table, and choose whether to place it in a new worksheet or an existing one. Alternatively, you can hover over a query, click the three dots, and select Load To from there. This is how you can easily import data from a PDF into Excel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.